Welcome everyone. I am here to present our project We Connect, a friendly neighborhood app. My name is Sedu from IT department, Veltech Multitech, Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Saguntala Engineering College. My teammates are B. Suresh Kumar and K. Kural Maran. And my project guide is Mrs. P. Manjula, Assistant Professor of IT department. My main objective of our project is to get connected real time with all neighborhood members of the society for any kind of communication related purposes like jobs, medical, profession, essentials, and to get any day to day updates about that region. The research problem is in earlier days, we people are very good at communication, which helps us in a lot of day to day activities like emergency needs, improve our business in our locality, knowing the daily day to day updates of our society. Nowadays, as technology has developed, we people lag a lot in communication and forget to maintain a good relationship with the neighborhood in our own society. So this leads to be strangers for each people in our society. It creates a huge communication gap between each individual and our neighbors of our own community. Our proposed system is to overcome that communication barrier. We have introduced an mobile app to develop a good and healthy environment around the society. We named the app as We Connect and it is based on the moral technology to defeat technology. We have introduced this application to communicate with peoples for their daily needs, promote their business and get latest need today updates about their area. So we can make a friendly environment around our society which promotes a healthy relationship and a good environment around our society. The system specifications required for the user to install and access our applications are hardware specifications which needs to meet the minimum requirement of processor Snapdragon 460, RAM minimum 2 GB and a hard disk storage of 100 MB. The software specification must meet a minimum Android version of version 6.0 and the technologies used in our projects are programming languages like Java and XML and technology platforms like Android Studio for creating the and developing the interface and Firebase for database works. The system architecture of our WeConnect application is any user installing our app is either need to sign up if he is a new user or log in if we have already created an account in our application. So the new user must provide their login information and create a new profile to access our application. Whereas the existing users will need to enter their mobile number and password created during their account creation. So once they log in to our home page, they are able to see the main three modules like dashboard, essentials and chats which are explained in the further modules. So coming to the module 1 dashboard. Dashboard allows people to communicate with each other of the same locality based on their PIN code. Here they can share important information or any emergency information to their neighbors like power cutoff or water supply or garbage collection or any theft or crime happened in that area or any road blockage or any selling or business development informations. And coming to module 2 is essentials. Essential section is used to connect various people of various platforms by knowing who are the people working in what are the different professions or business in that locality. So you can clarify your doubts from home itself, like whether a shop is crowded or closed, or a medicine is available in a grocery or not, or any teachers like tuition centers or any yoga classes is happening in that locality to avoid the time shortage in searching of it. Module 3 is chat section. Here we can able to chat with the neighbors of our own locality to clarify any doubts of our needs or to communicate for any business professions, or you can create a team to play sports like football or any other social causes. And module 4 is the famous one which we are using in our day-to-day lives like an emoji. In both chat section and dashboard, we have added a feature of like emojis to react to any message in a conversation. And the fifth module is we can also attach any image or video so that to send any important information, you don't need to type whole text. Rather than you can send an image or video to explain the information to the neighborhoods clearly in the both dashboard and chat section. Advantages of our projects are the technology will be more useful to future generation to communicate with the people of their society to develop a good and healthy environment with them. It improves the communication between the people of all the society for a friendly and healthy environment. Our project sample demos are listed below. So these are the samples attached of our projects, and thank you.